What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Farzad and today I'm going to show you 5 hacks and tricks for iPhone. Before that, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. Okay, let's go. Record secretly. If you like to record secretly, you should go to the camera, video, take a record, and now go to the multitasking. And now my phone is recording secretly. I'm sure of this. And if you back to the photos, you can see it's recorded. Shapes on a screenshot. Okay, I will take a screenshot and here I will make shape. For example, circle. It's not correct. And a square. It's not correct too. It has a problem. But I can draw a circle and hold my hand. And now you can see the circle is correct. And for example, a square. It's correct. Or a star. It's correct too. It's very nice. I want to use double tap on my iPhone. It's working. How can I enable that? Just head to the settings, go down, accessibility, touch, go down, and back tap. On double tap you can choose, and triple tap you can choose another option. For example, like a screen. And I will test that. 1, 2, 3. It's working. Move apps. For example, I want to move my apps to another screen. Just hold your finger, edit home screen, and hold that and move it here. And with your other finger, tap on applications. And now head to the another screen and drag this. It's very nice. Delete wrong number from calculator. For example, 5556. And 6 is wrong number. How can I fix that? Just swipe left or right your finger. Now it's working. That's done. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like iPhone hacks and tricks, please take a comment for me and I will create new video for you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video.